In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site search to Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way for visitors to search your entire site without using any external tools or code. We'll use a built-in Google Sites feature and a quick button link, so this is fast, clean, and easy to maintain. First, open your Google site and head to the page where you want people to start their search. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add elements to the page. Pick a spot that's easy to find. Near the top of the homepage is a great choice because the whole point is to make searching effortless for your visitors. Next, look to the right-hand sidebar and choose Insert. From there, select Button. This creates a clickable button you can label and link. Give it a clear, accessible label such as Search this site or simply Search. In the link field, replace whatever's there with a single short path, perhaps search. That slash and the word search are all you need. You don't have to paste your full site URL. Using a relative link like search tells Google Sites to send users to the site's built-in search page. When someone clicks the button, they'll be taken to a dedicated search screen that's automatically scoped to your site's content. Before you place the button, consider visibility and layout. A prominent placement increases engagement and helps returning visitors find what they need faster. You can adjust the button's style, size, and alignment so it matches your site's branding and looks consistent with the rest of your design. A short label keeps the layout tidy, while a slightly larger button can help it stand out without overwhelming the page. Once the button is on the page and linked to search, here's what your visitors will experience. They'll click the button, land on the native search page, type a keyword, and see results drawn from the pages and files published on your Google site. This approach works whether you're using the default sites.google.com address or a custom domain, because hash search is resolved relative to your site automatically. A few quick tips to get the most out of it. Use a descriptive label so screen readers and keyboard users know exactly what the button does. Keep it in a consistent location across key pages and make sure it contrasts well with the background so it's always easy to spot. That's it. You've added site search to Google Sites with a simple, reliable button that links to search.